Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is about this VW Transporter T6 we've got in with us for arguably the best Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen available right now, and that's none other than the extremely popular Alpine F905, aka the Alpine Halo 9. Also available an 11-inch screen should you want a bigger one as well. Now this screen for this installation has been mounted in the higher position, meaning you get a storage pocket below to put handy little items like your phone or your wallet in there. You can mount it in the lower position if you want it a bit more subtle and lower down, but it's not like it creates any kind of blind spot or anything. You can tilt the screen at your leisure, just like that. So if you get a bit of glare, you can make it flatter or you can tilt it further back, entirely up to you. Cracking screen, HD 720p, capacitive, so super responsive, and it integrates really well into the car, depending on spec of the vehicle. So for example, if I put it in reverse, the customer's factory Park Pilot parking sensors are going to work. You're going to get, obviously the display is going to go from green, yellow to red, depending on how close you are. Same with the front sensor, would appear on the front as well. All the steering wheel controls still work as well. And the MFD display in the middle will also display what radio station you're on as well. So it integrates really nicely once you use the proper Alpine interface kit. This unit is going to give you DAB radio, which I think I was already on, to be fair. So I can go to DAB, go to search, and then I can go through all the DAB listings. This is utilising the original aerial that's built into the wing mirror. Not the best location for an aerial. Actually, if you want better DAB reception, a shark fin aerial roof is superior, but as you can see, it is still picking up a lot of channels, just not quite as many as you'd get if you were using a shark fin aerial. Customers now also got access to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so I've got my phone already connected. So if I go to CarPlay, customers now got access to Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze navigation, all the music streaming apps you could ever want, Tidal, YouTube Music, Spotify, Deezer, and also internet radio apps like Radio Player, Global Player and Rayo. You can put a reverse camera on this as well as a front parking camera as well. And yeah, it's just a cracking touchscreen, 9-inch, really clear to see. And you can also put an HDMI input as well if you want to put an Amazon Fire Stick into it. You know, so it's got a good expandability. We've hooked up the original USB location just there, so customers actually got the original factory USB still working as well. Yeah, Alpine Halo 9 into a T6 fitted properly with all the correct interfaces. This is Connor from John Kleis Car Audio. From all the team at John Kleis Car Audio, we wish you well. See you later.